Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times before. I did it on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some new updates here need to be made. First thing first, though, before anything else, just going to do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines both here and here. Yes, these lines still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, they're not really relevant anymore, and I don't want to have a million lines everywhere and risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'd like to just try to keep this as clean and easy to follow as possible. So as far as updates, the first update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video on Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 90 cents as a level of resistance, and again, according to the rule, you would now like to see it act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. The price broke above it, and then you can see a couple times this afternoon, the bears try to press back down through 90 cents, but so far so good. This level is currently, holding as that, point of support. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But going forward, this is definitely the ideal level. Meaning, if the price can stay up above that, that would certainly be the ideal situation and be the biggest sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, as I believe I've talked about in the past, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move its way upwards. And as long as the price stays above the purple line as it moves itself upward, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. So however you can best visualize that, that purple line is really just gauging the overall health of the move. And again, as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls are in full health. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as resistance areas, right now it's really all about where the party stopped today, right around the dollar level, which makes sense. I mean, it's that round number. And on several different occasions, you can see right here, a couple of times got right up around the vicinity, and then later on in the afternoon, although didn't quite hit it again, I think we're going to agree, got within the vicinity of it. So that dollar mark is currently public enemy number one. But all in all, it's all about just building higher bases. As long as the price builds higher bases over time, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So another nice day today. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.